Another update. Let's take a look at this coin called Arpa over here. I'm very bullish on Arpa. I think it's going to do very well, and it is also one of my favorite coins to chart. We have a 5-wave move to the upside going back to March 2020 in the form of a leading diagonal. Now with a leading diagonal, you're going to have the waves overlap each other, hence why we have a 3-wave move for each of the subwaves. Then we go ahead and have our bear market from 2021 down to November 2022 in a triple zigzag combo. We then have a 5-wave move to the upside to formulate your wave 1 from November 22 going up to May 23. And then we have a WXY correction for over 407 days. So that's over 1 year of accumulation just going sideways, right? Now, if we take a fib from this very low over here, so from the very bottom of the trend up to the very high, we can see that we have come down to the 78.6% fib. And if we take a look here on the daily time frame, we are printing a bullish hammer right off of it. You guys see over here? This is a bullish hammer. You see there's a long wick to the downside over here. This candle right over here. You see how there's a longer wick to the downside? And it's formulating this type of a candle, this bullish candle, right off the 786. So that's very significant. Okay, this over here is our WXY correction. We have a 3-wave move down. Okay, this is your 3-wave move down. You have a 3-wave move up. And then another 3-wave move down for your Y wave. Okay, notice how in this C wave we have 5 waves that have completed over here. We have your wave 1, wave 2, your third come up this morning. Okay, so if you guys don't know, this coin follows the crypto total altcoin market cap chart to a T. So if you guys haven't seen my previous videos, go ahead and take a look at that. I think that the altcoin market cap has bottomed along with Bitcoin. And it's really nice because we're forming a bullish pin bar or a bullish hammer right off the 786 here this morning. And we didn't drop below it. We have no closure below this 786 here. So we'll take a look at the daily candle closing in about 9 hours. But I do expect for this to be the bottom over here on Arpa. And then we're going to come up for a wave 3, likely to around 47 to 54 cent when we use our trend-based fib from the bottom of the trend to the top of the trend and down to the counter trend. We can see that all of these targets over here, these are your wave 3 targets. So this wave 3 can stop at any of these blue fibs over here. But my bias is that we come towards 47 to 54 cent, which would be right near your 1.236 or your 702 when we use our trend-based fib from the macro trend. Okay, so if we use our trend-based fib here, I'll show you exactly where I placed it. Okay, so this is our regular fib. When we look at the 1.236, I'll make it black so you guys can see. When we use our when we look at our 1.236, it's sitting there at 45 cent. Our 1.382 is 64 cent, and our 1.618 is at around $1.12, $1.20. Now, when we use our trend-based fib right over here, this is how I placed it. Just like this, from the bottom of the trend, top of the trend, and down to the counter trend. We see that our 702 is right there at 53 cent, 618 is at around 37, 786 is 78 cent, and then our 886 is sitting there at $1.20. Okay, and when we use our fibs to find our wave 3 target, we see more confluence at around that 45 to 54 cent region. So around here is where you would want to de-risk, which would be the upper boundary of this macro ascending channel pattern. Okay, you see this ascending channel that we have here? You would want to de-risk at the upper boundary of it. And if you want, you can also take some profit at around the 30 to 36 cent region as well. Okay, and then your last TP or your last de-risk zone you would want it to be over here from 78 to around $1.20, and leave some coins behind just in case we have an extension all the way up to the 100% FIP at $1.97 to $2. Okay, so this is what I expect on Arpa. I expect very bullish price action for the rest of 2024, and I do expect the upper boundary of this ascending channel to be met. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.